Hello everyone. So this is the second video for tonight's video, so if you haven't watched the first one, please go back and watch that one first before you do, because we'll be using properties of trapezoids. And also, you should have been given a half sheet of paper in class with a bunch of shapes on grids, and we're going to be working off that piece of paper. So if you'd get that out of your binder, or if you have lost it or didn't receive it in class, please go back to the main website, and under the day it should have the worksheet on there that you can print out for yourself. Alright, I'm going to be doing 3 problems on one side of the page that starts, the side that starts with number 1, parallelogram OPQR. Alright, so they want us to use the properties of each figure to find the missing coordinates. So since this is a parallelogram, I know that opposite sides are parallel. So parallel on a graph, first thing that should pop into your head is slope. So if I count the slope of OP, I can recount the slope, the same slope, from R to Q to find the point Q. So first, I'm going to go up M and right K to get to point P. So I can go up M and I'll have to go left K, I have to go right K and up M to get from R to Q to find point Q. So in the X direction from point R, we've added K, and in the Y direction from point R, we've added M. So my new point Q is going to be X plus K, and then my Y value is going to be M. So my total point is X plus K, comma, M. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing with the rhombus. Please pause the video and give this one a try on your own, and then watch me do it. Okay, so we have rhombus WXYZ, and we see that the rhombus is centered on our X and Y axis, so we can work with its diagonals. Well, since a rhombus is also a parallelogram, we know the diagonals are bisected. So that means since Z is A away from the origin, so from where the diagonals bisect, that means X is also A away from the origin. And so since we're going to the left of the origin, that would mean my X point is going to be negative A, comma, 0. We can do the same thing for Y, so we can see that Y is B from the intercept, from the origin, and so that means W is also going to be B from the origin, and again, since we're going from positive to negative, my new point W will be 0, comma, negative B. Alright, last one, skip down. It's number 4 if you printed it offline. It's number 23 if you have the half sheet from class, the Isosceles Trapezoid. Alright, so since we have an isosceles trapezoid, we know our legs are congruent. And what this means for us on a graph is that they're going to have an opposite slope. So one is going to be positive and one is going to be negative, but it's still going to be the same value, like Q over R and negative Q over R. So in this case, we are going to go up B and right A. So then when I want to look at the right side to find my point that I'm missing, I'm going to go up B, but instead of right A, I'm going to go left A. So up B and left A, so that would be negative A. So now if I want to calculate my new point from C, comma, 0, well, I've gone up B in the Y direction, and then I've subtracted A in the X direction. So my new point is going to be C minus A, comma, B. Alright, so those are the 3 examples I have for you. If you'd please finish the other 3 problems on that side of the page, and if you'd like to go ahead and get started on your classwork for tomorrow, you can do the back as well. See you in class.